In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Linocut look with Adobe Illustrator in just 5 minutes. This is a fantastic technique to achieve that traditional printmaking aesthetic using a digital medium. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can create this unique effect with ease. First things first, make sure you have Adobe Illustrator open on your computer. This software is a powerhouse for vector graphics and is perfect for this type of project. Once you have it running, locate the pencil tool on the toolbar. The pencil tool is essential as it gives you the freedom to hand draw your strokes, much like you would when creating a Linocut design by hand. With the pencil tool selected, go ahead and draw 2 separate strokes on your artboard. These strokes should be almost touching so they interact in a visually interesting way, yet they should remain distinct lines. This method will help later when we apply the blend effect to give that authentic carved look. After you've created your strokes, you'll need to select them. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl+A, which selects everything on the artboard, or manually click each stroke while holding the Shift key. Selecting all strokes is crucial for the next steps. Once your strokes are selected, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Object. Within the drop-down menu that appears, find and click on Blend. This is where the real magic starts to happen. Next, click on Blending option. You'll see a list of choices at your disposal, and for this project, you need to choose Specified Steps from the drop-down menu. This option gives you control over the number of steps Illustrator will use between your strokes, creating that gradual gradation effect reminiscent of a traditional Linocut. In the field provided, type in 18 as the ratio. This specific number usually works well to achieve the desired effect without overcrowding or leaving too much space between the lines. Once you've set this, click OK to apply the changes. Now, head back to the Object menu at the top of the screen. Once again, choose Blend, and this time, click on Make. This action harmonizes your stroke lines into a beautiful Linocut-inspired pattern. As a pro tip, if you prefer shortcuts, you can simply press Alt+Ctrl+B to activate the blend, streamlining your workflow. And there you have it, a striking Linocut look created in Adobe Illustrator in minimal time. This technique can be a wonderful addition to your digital art toolkit, and I hope you found this step-by-step guide both helpful and inspiring. Experiment with different ratios and stroke patterns to personalize your artwork even further. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!